Okay, so boom, welcome back. I had an epiphany moment. I had an idea. So we're abroad and we have invited I have invited manifested somewhat of a slower, softer lifestyle just to kind of recalibrate, reset, and as I was saying, to recalibrate, rejuvenate, to reset the nervous system. I am going through an evolution and still becoming. And so I had the bright idea of learning art again. I used to draw and I used to do oil pastels in high school. I let the talent get away from me. And so I'm interested in art again. And who better than the Gouda master himself with the computer graphics degree and the animation studio, etc., etc., etc. Who better than Goo to teach me? So anyway, today is going to be day one of us vlogging my art journey or our art journey with Goo as my teacher and the master of art, and then myself as the student. Sensei, student.
So I know anyone can draw. It just starts with the basics. Basic shapes. If you know how to draw any shape and able to see that in anything you look at, art becomes a lot easier.
He says it like it's so easy.
It is easy. But a lot of people give up on art. They get frustrated, they rush it. It tests all your patience. If you don't got patience, it's gonna reveal it really, really fast. How hard you draw, how fast you go, all of those things. It's going to reveal your patience.
Level, like your patience level, is that what you're saying? Like whatever level of patience you
Yep.
have. We both know my patience level is wee bit thin.
So,
but we shall see. Okay, so come on this journey with us. Here we grow while living abroad, getting closer to rediscovering myself, each other. We are learning the new dynamic of us. This is gonna be fun. I'm excited. At least right now. So excited. I did. I had to. This is for you, Kobe. So excited. In the yes. The Asian community. It's all about universal love. All about universal love. Okay. Here we grow. In art.
Here we grow. To a higher self.
Day one, lesson one. What's the right size pencil?
Any pencil.
And what are we drawing today? Okay.
Foundations of art.
The foundations of art. I can handle that. I can do this. Okay.
So I got this handy dandy pencil set that my son bought for me. Shout out Code. I really be using this.
And now I'm really about to be using this.
Lead thickness. We got a 0.5, 0.7, 0.9.
Okay.
Of course, the 0.9 is thicker than the 0.5. So if you want fine details, 0.5. If you want more bold details, 0.9. And then in between.
Okay. So which one do I need to start off with?
Whichever one you want.
Fine. Okay.
So she's going with the 0.5. I'm actually going to go with the
middle.
0.9.
The big one. Yeah. Why you didn't tell me to use the thick one?
You had a choice. You chose.
I know, but I don't know why I chose fine.
It doesn't matter.
Okay, whatever. What's on the itinerary? I know, but what shape? Which shape?
Let me teach.
Okay.
Students listen. Teachers teach.
Okay.
We're going to start with basic shapes. What's the basic shapes? Circle, triangle, square, rectangle, draw a circle. Small, quarter size. Quick, draw a circle. Lightly. Not heavy, lightly. And you can do multiple times around to make a perfect circle. It's pretty fast.
I went too fast. Who draws a circle too fast?
You-
I drew it too fast.
Yeah, that's more like.
Speed is a part of this.
Yeah, you rushing it. What's the rush?
We're recording, and our battery is about to die. Don't ask questions you don't want to know the answers to. Okay, I should draw it slowly.
No, just keep
I'll
that circle. And just straighten it out. Round it out. There you go.
It's dark though.
Yeah, because
It's a little darker than yours.
you heavy-handed.
Oh, I'm too heavy-handed.
No, that's why I just
Should I draw one next to it?
Yep.
Let's let them. This is my circle, y'all.
I don't think they can see it. Oh yeah.
You can see this circle. That's my circle. He said I'm too heavy-handed and I drew it too fast. Okay, show them your circle. This is his circle. It's a pretty perfect circle, I might add, but I don't think you can.
It's an illusion.
But you can tell who drew it the fastest. So you can see that it's rushed.
Yeah.
Okay, now I draw a square. See, you finished your square before me, but I rushed.
I actually did it earlier.
Basic shape square. Wait. Okay, triangle. See, you finished your triangle before me.
Then a rectangle.
Then a rectangle. Oh, I'm running out of room. Can I draw it on this side? No, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah. You got a whole paper. Use it. Use the whole sheet. All right. The reason why you do basic shapes because in any complex thing.
Well, let's show them our shapes. These are my shapes, ladies and gentlemen. I don't know if you can see that.
You can see it.
Did I draw it too light?
No, you can see it. The reason why you do basic shapes because in every thing ever created is if you zoom out, you should be able to see all these shapes in any object. Oval, let's draw oval because that's a common shape.
Okay, what's the next step? Is that a good oval?
It's a great oval.
Okay.
If you want to draw a 3D, so with a circle.
Mine is like a corn dog.
Mine is too.
A pickle.
You can make a pickle. I mean, it can look like an egg. Just depends. If it's stretched, if it's compressed, it's all the same shape.
Okay, what's next?
No, we're gonna do 3D.
Does that include shading?
3D.
Okay.
It's a little difficult, but we'll use lines to create the illusion of that it's 3D. So you'll follow the curve, find your middle point wherever you want the middle point to be.
Then if it's on the side, how is it in the middle?
Because it's perspective. So if your point of view can be 3/4. So that means the middle will be here.
I have no idea what you speak of.
In portrait, like if you're drawing, if you're taking a picture, I want you to turn 3/4.
All you had to do was speak in terms of picture.
That's fine.
Yeah, I see what you're saying. Where's the middle? Right here?
No.
I'm just kidding. Okay.
We'll come back to this. We'll just do the stuff that's easy. Do a triangle. So I want you to draw another triangle, but draw it a little bit up and a little bit to the right. So meaning maybe like this. So off center.
Show the people what you want me to draw.
Show the people.
Yes, show them what you want me to draw. You might have to go up.
Off center triangle. This one right here.
Can I see? Why are you looking at me so hard? The pressure. Up, right, and to the right. Is that too high?
Same triangle.
I'm doing the same. It's not the same. This is hard. This is so hard.
That's fine.
All right. Oh, what is? Oh gosh.
You should have just stuck with your first triangle.
What is this? It's so weird. Can I get a do-over? Look what I did. Look at this. It's weird.
It's called an eraser.
I definitely need to erase this.
She just want to use the lecture eraser.
No one can hear you. Okay. Why is it so hard?
All right, cool.
Is that right? Or should I have moved it over a little bit more?
It doesn't matter.
Whatever.
Do the same thing for all the other shapes.
The circle too?
Not the circle.
The oval?
Just the square and the rectangle.
I have to do this again? But why is my brain frazzled? Oh, I have to do it up?
Same shape, off center, to the right.
Did I do okay? Okay, I have to do the square. I find that it's easier for me.
What's the shapes?
Did I do okay? Here are my shapes. Triangle. I think I did rather well on the square and the rectangle.
Alright, now we're gonna 3D shape it.
Do what?
We're gonna make it to a 3D shape, a 3-dimensional shape. So all you're doing is connecting the line, the corners.
Okay.
Corner, 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 corner.
Let me see. It's hard to look at it upside down. Connect these corners.
Yep.
Corner.
Take your time.
Corner.
Yep.
Am I rushing? Well, the way you did it so
Corner.
fast.
Corner.
I fear that this isn't gonna look right.
Corner, 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 corner. That's another thing about art.
Let me see.
It's all expressive.
Oh, we did our squares differently.
It doesn't matter. Connect it.
How do you do yours like that?
It's the same. Connect it. Connect the corners.
Oh, you did this way.
What way would you have done? It's the same.
I was doing it the opposite.
How? Show me.
Well, no, I already did the
I know. Show me
lines.
another one. What do you mean opposite?
I don't know.
No, it's an illusion.
Clearly. But I was thinking of connecting them in a different way.
No, we can do the circle. Let's do the circle. Let's do the same.
No.
Let's do the same circle.
Wait, I haven't finished my triangle. Let me see how'd you do this. Do you connect this with this?
All the corners.
Uh-oh, that don't look right.
Why not?
Look at this. Maybe that's a little bit better. I don't know. It looks weird to me. This is what he's saying when he says 3D. Mine is chopped. However, I'm in love with it.
Do the circle.
But it doesn't have corners to connect.
I know.
So what do I do? Just
It's not a corner, but the ends. Really, the ends of this end.
what?
This end and this end. The farther away from it, from each other, it's just gonna create a different shape. Now you're creating more of a cylinder, which is okay.
Okay. And then I connect this with this.
Now the fun part, you get to erase. You get to use the electric eraser. So we have,
Wait, let me show. We gotta show the people. This is how the circle and the oval turned out, which I don't know what I'm doing. But we gonna get there.
Here's another thing about art. It's being patient enough to trust
The process.
the process.
Like locks.
Sure. Now we have to erase what we don't need. So
The inside lines.
show me. So the best
Wait,
thing
wait. Don't tell me. This line.
Okay, do it.
Am I correct?
Do it. Let's see.
This line. Is that correct?
Continue the process for all of them.
I did it! Okay. Continue the process for all of them. I don't know what that is. The triangle was easy. Why was the triangle so easy? Maybe because it looks like a tent.
So the key is to find the front of the box.
This is the front.
Okay, so where's the front?
Right here.
No, these are the sides and the bottom.
No,
Where's the front?
this box is the front of the
So
box.
so yours is going this way. Okay. So this the front, erase everything in the front. That's the easiest way.
That might have an open box.
Erase everything in the front.
What do you mean?
Erase everything in the front.
Saying it repeatedly and slowly is not making me comprehend it.
But if you do it, you'll comprehend it.
I don't understand what you mean the front.
You said your front is where?
In the front.
Where? You just pointed out your front. Where is it?
In the front. Right here.
So erase everything in that box.
But if I erase all of this, then what? It's gonna be gone. In the box? Wait. I'm confused because sometimes when I look at the box, it looks one way, but then when I raise my hand and I look again,
So
it's a box a different way.
Find your box and erase everything in it.
Why is it so hard?
It's an illusion. Once you start erasing, the illusion goes away. There you go. It's the simplest way. Just erase everything in the front.
Okay.
It doesn't matter what perspective you see it in.
Do I
Some
erase
people-
this?
No.
I don't erase this line?
Which part? Oh yeah, that part you do. I didn't know what you was talking about.
You gotta listen. This one. Can you draw this without those extra lines?
Me?
Anyone can draw without the extra lines is what I'm saying?
Correct. But these are the basics. Here, I'll draw it for you.
I think I used to draw this in school. Okay, so this is what he was talking about with the box, with the square. I don't know why I got so confused. When I look at it, it looks differently every time I look at it. Is this the end of the lesson? And we can do shading next time?
Sure. But finish it.
Oh, finish what?
Erasing the front.
Oh, okay. All right, so the front. If this is my front, erase this. And this? Uh-oh. Did I do wrong?
No, you good. Yes.
I did wrong?
No, you're good.
I don't know what to erase. Help!
You erased it already, so because this is a line.
Mm-hmm. But this is this.
Correct. Yeah. So you're just erasing this small part right there. Cool. Next.
And then this.
Same thing.
Why does it feel so hard? This is way harder than I thought it would be. Just to do basic shapes.
When you say hard, what does that mean? Is it just
for my brain?
Because it's uncomfortable?
It's for my brain to comprehend it. I don't know what I just did.
You good. Now you got one more.
Now let the people see.
You got one more.
I have one more. What? I did all of them. Oh, I didn't do the rectangle. I need help. Can I cheat off you?
You don't need to. You almost there.
Do I have to erase these?
Yep.
All right. Boom. I'm done.
Yeah.
No, I gotta erase this one.
But here's a cool part.
These erasers don't erase well. Ta-da! Ooh.
Well, join us next time on.
Show the people yours. Let's compare student and teacher and student. Master and what is it? I don't know.
It's not a comparison.
It is a comparison so they can see.
It's interpreted.
I know it's interpretive. It's expressive. I get that. However, let the people be the judge.
What are they judging?
I don't know. This is day one of art class with Goo and Tay. Here we grow. Oh, I'm sweating. I told you it had my brain all over the place. I gotta get out of my structure. Like,
this is
maybe that's what it is. Maybe that's why. Because I like abstractness. I don't. Anyways.
But even abstract has shapes.
Clearly.
Everything
I
revolves
did
around
good.
shapes.
I'm proud of myself.
Trust the process.